You can see sunshine in California, and we're just sitting in traffic right now. Guys, I just wanted to put this on tape just in case something happens later, meaning it's a Wednesday morning, 9 a.m. and I got woken up by my husband, and he told me that we need to be in Beverly Hills and Hermès because he needs to see some perfume and shoes for himself, which that appears to be very odd to me. And you know, I guess our appointment is like the very first appointment right when they open, and I have some speculations, but if nothing happens, then you're not gonna see this video. But if something were to happen, I have this on what do you think? I have this on tape because I find it a little strange. But yeah, I'm just tagging along in the infamous LA traffic. Let me show you. And apparently this is not bad at all. You know, there's no traffic. This is normal. And sorry for like not knowing where to look. I thought the camera is like right here, but apparently the camera is here. So yeah, I'm going to check in with you guys, and hopefully you can see this clip that I pre-filmed if something were to happen.
There's nothing to see.
He says there's nothing to see. Do I believe him? Only time will tell. And I guess I'll check in with you guys later, and hopefully you get to see this clip. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, this happened. I cannot wait to show you guys, and I feel bad that I'm doing this video on the street, but yeah, first appointment of the day, and my husband surprised me with this bag and our essay, so I was really happy to see it, and I can't wait to show you guys what's in here. Definitely a dream bag. Hey guys, it's Vivian here. Before you jump into today's video, I want to quickly mention that there is going to be a giveaway coming up on the channel. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification to not miss out the announcement. I'm super excited to be announcing this very soon. And now you can go ahead and enjoy today's video. And if you follow my first luxury on Instagram, you know that I have shared I did receive my second quota bag of the year. Since many of you guys already know, I received my first quota bag, which is a Birkin 25, earlier on this year. There's no doubt the second quota bag is a Kelly, and she's right here waiting for us. But very quickly before we get to the unboxing, I just wanted to say that the reason why I filmed the intro was because I had a suspicious feeling of something might be coming up, because my husband just told me we're going into the store, and I was thinking, okay, maybe one of the items that I requested or from my wish list has arrived. But regardless the purpose, if he's trying on clothes or if I'm receiving another wish list item, going to Hermès is always fun. So I signed up for the deal, and I was like, let me just get this on record just in case if something happens. And apparently he was trying on clothes and also requested to try one of the shoes. So we waited, and then the SA brought in a shoe box, and I was like, what shoe are you trying and what color are you getting? So then the SA opens the box, and then in there lies another little box, and I'm like, what the heck? Because that box literally is the same size as the box as the mugs that we got. So I was like, what is in there? I was like, no, this is not happening. Our SA didn't say anything, just started unwrapping, and it was just quiet, and then my eyes just went like staring at the box for the whole time until he unwrapped it, and this little cutie came out. It did feel like a birthing experience from my SA side, I guess, but nonetheless, let's really quickly get to the unboxing and show you guys what is inside this little box. And if you're familiar, you already know it's a tiny size Kelly. This is the Rose Sakura Mini Kelly II, and she's very excited to meet you guys. Before the box opened, I did not know what's in the box. Like I shared with you guys, it was a surprise unboxing where the SA walked in with a shoebox and the outer box of the bag laid inside of the shoebox. The rest is history. I will be going over things in my first luxury fashion, which we are going to be talking about price points, size, and also how I got this bag. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, I would love if you subscribe right now because there are more exciting things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Alright, so let's first open her because she is brand new. The stickers and everything is on there. I am going to open her up because I haven't done that again outside of the boutique. And voila, there she is. It is such a tiny bag, you guys. I honestly did not know what is going to fit in there, but I did try putting my phone in there when I was in the store. All right, the felt had come off. So surprisingly, my iPhone 11 did fit in there, and I'm going to show you guys again. It fits in there perfectly. Not a problem, and she just became a little bit heavier. So this Kelly is the Mini Kelly II in Rose Sakura, and it has palladium color hardware, and the leather is gold skin. On the inside is a very delicate yet soft and saturated Rose Sakura color in, I believe, the Milo skin, which is what the Rodeo horses are made of. They are just so super soft to the touch and very delicate as well. So I am thinking whether or not I need a bag insert for this because things I'm gonna be putting in there are going to be essential, so I'll be using it plenty. So I'm probably going to be putting my card holder in there. This is a Kelvy, this is a Mini Kelly. You can see the size differences between the two, and also this is the bubblegum pink that made a return this year, and this is the Epsom color. So a very brief comparison between my two favorite pinks. They are very different. I believe Rose Sakura is definitely a pale pink, very pale, and has that ice cream strawberry undertone, and the bubblegum is just a true bubblegum color. So the price for the Mini Kelly, you guys are probably all wondering what is going to be. Retail price for this one is currently $8,550. I know it doesn't sound like it costs a ton. However, in order to get the Mini Kelly size, it did take a lot of investment. So I'm going to leave it there, but I might do a video going in depth talking about it with you guys. But the retail price is $8,550 plus tax. I think this color looks perfect with the palladium hardware. It comes with a strap that I haven't checked out. The strap is right here, and I know the reviews have been done before, but I am going to get the measurement of the strap. Now we're gonna get into the story. It's probably the part that you guys are caring about the most because everybody's Hermès journey has its own story and uniqueness, and this is how my Kelly came about. As you guys saw in the beginning of the vlog footage, I usually don't do vlogs, but I just wanted to capture it on camera and have it on record because I had a little feeling that maybe one of my wish list items came in, and there are quite a lot of them, to be honest. So I know that we are going to make a day trip and show up at the store because my husband also wanted to try some shoes and clothing and sweaters and etc. So I was like, you know what, let's just go. But I was really hoping one of the items that I put down on my wish list arrived. To be quite honest with you, Rose Sakura is a color that I have heard about, and I know that everybody loves the color. So for me, I have not personally seen the color because it's very hard to come by to see one in store, even in small SLGs. And I have asked my SA about Rose Sakura potentially be on one of the handbags, and then the SA just told me, yeah, it's very hard to get. So I didn't pursue that route anymore. I just thought I was very happy with my bubblegum pink, you know, Kelvy right here. I mean, we all start somewhere from our ultimate dream list item, right? So as we continue buying things from Hermès, I obviously have talks with my husband as to, you know, what I want next. So for Kelly, I was really hoping for a Kelly 25, which is already very hard to obtain because as you guys might have heard, inventory have dropped this year due to, you know, pandemic close downs, and the manufacturer in France have been affected. So there are a lot of changes in inventory. So I was like, you know what, if we couldn't get a Kelly 25 this year, maybe we just wait until next year and see, because I was able to try the 25 and 28 in store, and I have just decided that 25 is a practical size and it's not too big, and it could fit everything that I tend to carry with me on the go. So we obviously talked about sizing, we talked about what are my ultimate goals, and I guess my husband took really good notes, and he knows that Rose Sakura has been brought up several times in the conversation, but I never really emphasized on getting one, knowing how hard it is and how scarce it is to come across with this color. So I guess he just did a thing, you know, he talked with the essay and they arranged a little surprise when we showed up in the store. I just got the Rose Sakura Mini Kelly. Are you kidding me? You can pinch me. I mean, this is really a dream come true, and truth to be told, I did not have this bag on my wish list because I know I would have not been able to get this unless I'm a client of, you know, several years, and you have to have quite a record to acquire something like this because it is a popular color and people love it. I'm just super grateful for this offer, and obviously I took it. I was like, can we take her home? You know, when the bag was presented after I had my moment with her. And you guys know the channel name is My First Luxury, and this is the first ever Kelly that get to be mine. So it is holding so much meaning and so much sentimental value, and I'm going to be cherishing her forever, I think. So basically this is how we picked up the bag, and if you guys are interested in how you can get bags like this, let me know in the comment section below. I might do a little bit more of an in-depth video, but before the Kelly, you guys know I was very lucky to have gotten the Birkin 25 this year, so I did share that story of how I got it. If you're interested, I am going to be putting the link over here because she's so unique. I think I'm going to be busting out all of my pink color pieces from Hermès and maybe Chanel and do a color comparison because I have collected quite a few. Smaller they're good so far. So if you are a pink lover, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. I'm going to be creating the video very soon. Okay guys, I'm going to take the sticker off because this is really in the way, and you guys can see that it's already coming off a little bit. So let's just get that out of the way, shall we? Oh, so it's wrapped like this. So that is one. The second is right here. Ooh, okay. It's got different layers to it. Voila. There she is. Okay, so now let me also take the stickers off on these straps because they're brand new and you guys can see they're protected. So I can then put the strap on and try it for you guys to see how big it is. And let's do that. Who else loves doing this? If you do, let me know in the comment section below because I love to peel things. Cool. So this is okay. So now this can do this instead of this where it's just kind of contained. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but yeah, okay. So let's break it open. I literally feel like you guys are my close friends because I would only do this and share it with people I know. And if you're watching this video, you are my friend because you're witnessing a very special moment with me in my bag collecting history. All right, so now both stickers are peeled off and it's ready to go. Okay, the straps are in. They're so tiny, you kind of have to find the right angle to put them in. I did struggle a little bit because my nails are kind of long right now, but here it is. These are the two items I have. I have an iPhone XS over here and a pretty stuffed Calvi. My phone is an iPhone 11 with a case. It goes in there pretty well. So if your phone is the same size, it goes in. This is pretty much the size that we're looking at. And let me show you guys how it fits. Still pretty spacious, and it just went in like that, effortless. And it's a caseless phone, so don't forget about that. And then here is my Calvi card holder, a standard one you have as well, and that goes in there perfectly. So these are pretty much my essentials. I also obviously carry a car key and perhaps some little things, and it's perfect. And you can see it's still pretty spacious in the back, and we can just clip it in and voila, off we go. And I just wanted to put a disclaimer here because obviously we're talking about a mini bag. This is the littlest size I believe Kelly comes in, the Kelly 20. So we are talking about a mini bag that fits most of our essentials when we take it on the go. So it does fit, you know, what we need to carry: wallet, keys, and phones. So if you are looking for something that can carry a ton of stuff, maybe this is not the size for you. But for our daily essentials, this actually fits everything. So that is it for today's video. If you have watched until this point, I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy all the information I have shared in the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Also, go follow my first luxury on Instagram because over there I share a lot of the first-hand information with you guys, and sometimes I like to take you guys with me on the go. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love if you give this video a thumbs up because it really supports the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.